Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. And if I can do this, you can too. Today we're making a simple caramel recipe. The word simple has not worked out so well for me in the past. I have made other caramel recipes. It has been rough. Caramel is my nemesis. That said, we're going to give it another go today because I've been doing this for a while. I've learned, right? Right. So let's give it a try. And if you have any hints, let me know, please. I was inspired by this song. I have tried this once before to make this sauce and so much more. It is my nemesis for sure, but I can't help adore. Adore, yeah, I love caramel. Medium heat. Add your sugar. Stir constantly until it melts and it becomes golden brown. It is starting to clump up and turn color, and so we are starting to get somewhere. It is getting close, and this part seems to be going quite quickly. Waiting for it to get fully melted. Now that it's fully melted and it's golden brown, we're going to add in the butter gently. It's going to simmer a little bit. It's going to, ow, don't burn yourself. Okay, wait for this to fully melt as well. Constantly stirring. Okay, butter's melted. Slowly pour in your heavy cream. It's going to sputter a lot. Wait until the sauce is smooth and fully combined. Wait for that caramelly texture, just a little bit. Making sure it's fully combined, it has settled down, and it is a smooth texture. This looks like a caramel sauce to me. We'll transfer to another dish. Heat-proof one. Let cool to room temperature, about 10 to 15 minutes. Look at the caramel sauce I made. Look at this. Look how smooth that is. Has a beautiful caramel color. By George, I think I got it. I finally did it. Thank you very much. Only took me a few years, well, I guess to just find this recipe. This really was a simple caramel recipe, and really, if I can do this, you can too. All right, so you see it is nice and smooth. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. All right, let's give this a try because it is all in the taste and it looks delicious. Gotta show it to you again. All right, I'm just gonna take a little taste here. Oh yes, fills my caramel dreams. This is delicious. Delicious. I could imagine this on top of ice cream, on top of a cake. I could imagine it on an apple. I could imagine it, well, on so many things. Chocolate. Oh, yes. Possibilities are endless. I am so excited about this. If I can make this caramel recipe for the very first time, facing my nemesis, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And share with your family and friends, make for your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so very much more.